Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get center in English. The correct spelling of this word depends entirely on where you are in the world. There are two main accepted forms, and knowing which one to use is key for clear communication. We will explore these differences so you can confidently choose the right spelling every time. It's simpler than you might think once you know the rule. The primary distinction lies between American and British English. In the United States, the spelling center with an ER ending is universally used. Conversely, in the United Kingdom and many Commonwealth countries, center with an RE ending is the established form. Both are correct, but mixing them within a single document is generally avoided for consistency. This versus re pattern isn't unique to just center. You'll find it in many other words too. For instance, theater in American English becomes theater in British English. Similarly, a measuring device is a meter in the US, but a meter in the UK. Always consider your target audience when making these spelling choices. To summarize, the key is consistency. Once you choose either center or center, stick with it throughout your writing. A quick proofread can help you catch any accidental switches. Remember, understanding your audience's regional expectations will guide your choice. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.